In today's video, I'm going to talk about how 9-to-5ers can make 10k a month, and literally how you guys can start a business today which can generate you 10k a month so that you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, who am I and why am I authorized to talk about this? Well, I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK, and I worked so many jobs to the point where I had enough and I decided, you know what, I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job, take the biggest risk of my life and move to Dubai. And now over 12 months later, I now own a 6-figure coaching business where I basically help 9-to-5ers or any beginners really who are looking to scale to 10k a month within 3 months of my program. And the way that I do this is that I help you leverage your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. So just before I continue the video, if you are interested in that, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see how I can help you. So yeah, I've managed to quit my 9-to-5 job. I make over 6 figures a year, and I basically help other people do the same. So in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can start this business model, make some serious money. And I know I'm saying 10k a month, but honestly guys, if you really work hard on this, you can easily make even more than that. A lot of people, when they start this business model, can end up making 30, 40, 50k a month. Now, if you're a 9-to-5er watching this, I know this sounds very unrealistic, but when I break down exactly how this business model works and how you can use it to make money, you'll understand very quickly that it's not too good to be true. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so you can implement exactly what I'm telling you to do. So what business model should you guys do? Well, there's drop shipping, there's affiliate marketing, you can create content on YouTube, you can create content on TikTok. There are people making money through Instagram pages. Now, there are so many business models, right? So many business models. Which one do you do? Which one can make you money fast? And which one can help you scale very easily? Well, the best business model that any of you guys should be doing is by starting your own coaching program. So you're probably asking, what is a coaching program? Okay. What is a coaching program? So essentially, it's where you teach your skills and knowledge right? It's where you teach your skills and knowledge to clients, okay? Now, the niche can be anything that you're good at. There is a person here in Dubai who is teaching people how to knit, and she makes just under 20 grand a month. So pretty much any niche would work, okay? So your niche is very important because okay? Because this is something that you are good at. Now, of course, there are more profitable niches, and of course, there are niches that pay you less. However, I don't want you to look too much into it, okay? Pretty much any niche would work. The main thing you need to ask yourself is, are you good at this skill? Okay, so as I said, there's a person teaching knitting, and she makes just under 20k a month. There's another person teaching how to stop drinking alcohol. So he's got a stop drinking program, and he makes around 80k a month. Now, these are just 2 examples. There's so many more examples. Like, I work with someone that does crypto investment. I work with another client that's teaching people how to deal with special needs children. I then got another client who teaches strength training in the gym, and a few other clients that teach mindset coaching to entrepreneurs. So there's literally a bunch of things that you can teach. You've just got to identify a skill that you know that works for you, that you can teach and that you can talk about, and that's something that you're good at. Now, you don't need to be an expert at this skill. A lot of people think that, you know, they need to be an expert at the skill. They might even need a degree or some paperwork. No, listen, you don't need any of that crap. All you need is to be somewhat good at that skill. You don't need to be an expert, and I'll explain why. Let's say out of 10, an expert is a 9 or a 10, right? Well, if you're a 9 or a 10, you're going to be teaching people that maybe you're a 6 or a 7. However, if you're maybe a 5 or a 6, well, you'll be teaching people that are a 1 or a 2 or even a 3 or a 4. Does that make sense? So you'll be teaching people below you to get to your level. So again, you don't need to be a full expert at that skill, okay? So let me just rub all this out, okay? So what you need to understand is, once you pick your niche, okay, the next thing that you need to do is work out your pricing, your deliverables, and what you're offering exactly, okay? So I'll go through an example with you guys, okay, which is one of my clients is doing. So let's say crypto investment. Okay, so crypto investment. So I've got a program teaching people how to invest their money in crypto, okay? And for argument's sake, let's say I charge 5k for a 3-month program, okay? So I charge let me do that again. So I charge 5K for a 3-month program where I basically help you invest your money and understand the crypto market so you can make a percentage of gains from it. Now, this 5K isn't what they're investing in crypto. This 5K is what they're paying me. So they pay me 5 grand for 3 months of my time where I teach them one-to-one, let's say every week. So my deliverables would be 1 hour call a week for basically 3 months, okay? So for 3 months, they get 1 hour call with me every single week. And for that, I'm charging $5,000. Okay, now again, this is just an example. This is something my client's doing. He's not charging the same prices, but this is just something I'm giving you as an example. Okay, now you can make 5 grand for 3 months of your time, which is essentially 12 hours, right? So you make 5 grand for 12 hours work. Now, a lot of you guys work 12 hours for like $100 or £100. Why not make 5 grand for those same 12 hours that you're spending working a 9-to-5 job? Now, you can imagine if you sign 10 people, right, on this program, you'll make 50K in a month. 50K a month for 10 hours a week of your time for only 3 months. And if you spread that out and just work 2 hours a day across the 5 days, which means you're only working 2 hours a day for that. And a lot of you guys are working like 40 hours a week, getting paid like $2,000 or $3,000. Can you see already exactly how much money you can make from this? So this is just one example, right? So if I just drop this out. So now you've got your deliverables, you've got your pricing, you know, you've got your niche, you've got all of that sorted now, okay? Now, how do you actually get clients? How do you get people to pay you that money? Well, it's very, very simple. The number one tool that you guys are going to use, now you can use ads. That's a very predictable way of making some good money. But the platform that I like to use the most and the platform that my clients are using is YouTube. YouTube is single-handedly the best platform that you can use. There's Instagram. Instagram comes in as a close second. TikTok, waste of time because you're not going to get people that are going to pay you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for your program. TikTok is generally full of people that are just looking for entertainment, just to, you know, hit their dopamine. So YouTube is the best platform by far, without a doubt. And I can tell you this from experience because I'm not running too many paid ads. Majority of my clients actually come through from YouTube. And the crazy thing is I don't get many views. I mean, you can look at my channel, right? I average around 100, 150, 200 views. And even then, I'm signing on a lot of clients just from my YouTube alone. Okay, so you're going to use YouTube. Now, how do you use YouTube to get you clients? Well, firstly, you need to create either a landing page or like a simple Calendly page, okay? So a landing page can have like your VSL, it can have some of your client results, it can have a little bit of background information on you. If you're going to do the landing page route, I'd say keep it simple. Just make sure you have a big button where it says book a call, and then customers can click on that when they want to book in a call with you. Now, what I like to do, which a lot of people don't actually do, but it works well for me, it works well for my clients, which is just having a simple Calendly page as your link. Now, what the beauty of this is that it's quite low friction, okay? There's less steps before they actually book in a call with you. So when they watch my video, just like you're watching right now, they will then know, like, and trust me. And based on that, they'll then book in a call with me. Now, the reason YouTube does so well is because you can't really jump in front of a camera and talk about something for a long time, about something you don't know about. You could do that on TikTok because TikTok is quite short form content and you can just talk a bunch of garbage and then post it on TikTok. But when it comes to YouTube, you can't really talk about things that you don't know about. And this is what makes you an authority in your niche. And again, I've done this for a few years, so I know exactly how this works and I know how to get clients. That's why a lot of my clients are making some really, really good money. I'll give an example of one of my clients called Denye, who got himself 5 booked calls working with me for only a few weeks worth around $20,000. So it just shows the possibilities of how you can actually do this. Okay, so let's say you've created your landing page, your Calendly. What you then do is get your link, so either your URL or your Calendly page link, and then what you do is you create YouTube videos. Okay, now the way you're going to create these videos is not with fancy editing, not necessarily with, you know, crazy graphics and visual effects and all that kind of stuff. Again, you can go down that route if you are like a cinematographer or if you've got a particular niche which makes sense to go down that route. Other than that, you don't necessarily need to do crazy things like that. All you need to do is do exactly what I'm doing, which is show up in front of a camera, talk about your particular niche, talk about the problems within your niche, and talk directly to your target audience. Now, all you need to do is keep creating these videos, and what will happen is you'll get some views and some of those people will book in a call with you. And you need to be consistent when it comes to creating YouTube videos, because consistency is very, very important. It shows to your audience that you're serious that you know what you're talking about, and that you're an authority in your niche. The best way to start off your first videos is by talking about my story. Those videos tend to do really well as beginner videos. So again, make sure to have your landing page and your Calendly link in your description. And every so often, let them know in the video that they can book in a call with you by clicking the link in the description. Same with me. If you guys need any help with actually building this business and you want someone to essentially hold your hand to make you 10K a month within 3 months, well, you can DM me on Instagram, or as I said earlier, you can book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description. Okay, so let's say now you've made these YouTube videos, and now you've made the YouTube videos, you've got some people booking in a call with you. Okay, so what do you do next? So you've got people that have, booked in a call. Right. So now that you've got someone booked in a call with you, what you then do is show up on that call. You then speak to your customer, okay? You ask them questions. Okay? Ask them questions like, why did you jump on this call? What is your situation currently? What do you do? Have you done X, Y, and Z? Obviously base it around your niche. What these questions are doing is qualifying the person. Now, if your person doesn't qualify for your program and you know for a fact based around these questions that you can't actually help them, make sure to let them know. Be polite about it, but just let them know that unfortunately, based on the answers that you've given to these questions, it doesn't make sense for me, and it also doesn't make sense for you to join this program. However, if they do qualify, you can then take them to a presentation. Okay, so show them a presentation talking about your program, your niche, how you can help them, what you do, etc. This will basically warm the customer up to understand exactly what they're getting from your program. Now, they're going to have some objections, okay? When it comes to paying for your program, there's going to be objections. Now, you need to handle these objections. So if they come to you and say that, yeah, it sounds great, but I'll think about it, or I'll come back to you, well, you need to ask them there and then, what's the reason you're not signing up today? And use the questions that you asked them beforehand to find out exactly why. For example, when you ask them, why did you jump on this call? Most of them will say, yeah, I needed to make a change today. So then when they say they need to think about it, you can refer back to that question and say, well, you told me that you need to make a change today. So why do you want to think about it further? So you need to be good at objection handling. You need to be good at sales. And finally, let's say they're happy to go ahead. Well, you then send them the payment link. You then send them the payment link, they will pay you, and then now they're in your program. And now all you have to do is provide value and provide the deliverables that you set out in the beginning. So for example, if it's 1 hour calls a week, that's what you provide them for 3 months. And honestly, guys, this is basically all the blueprint that you guys need to make serious money online. Now, obviously, I've gone through this really quickly so you guys can understand generally how this business model works. If you do need any help with this and you want to make 10K a month within 3 months of my program, again, you can either DM me on Instagram or make sure you click the link in the description and book in a call with me. But whatever you do, guys, don't just watch this video and not take any action. At the end of the day, you guys can make 10K a month and completely change your life.